Since we're talking about niching down, niching isn't just about the type of content you create, it's about also the platform you choose to work on. So
this video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
One thing is to choose the topic. Let's say you choose weight loss, whatever topic for our example, but where are you going to focus on promoting it and what kind of content type? For example, blogs are the things that I get asked about a lot, but they are typically promoted through search long term, and it's so crowded in search and SEO, and a few people read blogs that it's becoming a slightly bit outdated of a genre. So in popular niches like weight loss or health or anything, it would be impossible to rank in Google for almost any keyword, even long tail keywords. So you have to think, okay, maybe it would be easier to make YouTube videos. Yeah, it's easier. It's faster to make videos. It's easier to get views, but making good videos is not for everyone. It's not everybody wants to be on video. Not everybody knows how to do it. There's a longer learning curve at times. So it's another challenge. Then you start thinking, okay, what's popular today? Maybe Instagram. Well, it's a shorter content. You still need a lot of uniqueness because there's a ton of noise on Instagram and people browse, but they don't really buy. So who knows if Instagram is going to work out for the type of content that you have. And then you kind of think maybe live platforms like you've seen Facebook Live, YouTube Live. So maybe not pre-recorded videos, but maybe interacting with people, maybe doing something cool and unique. Maybe that's an option. Or you can think of like, what's the next thing for tomorrow? Because tomorrow's platforms are not crowded today. So you got to pick a platform that maybe, I don't know to suggest to you because it's just becoming popular and you see like, oh, maybe it's cool. Like in 2017, YouTube Live, Facebook Live, those were the things that would make you stand out. In 2016, 2017, Instagram would make you stand out. They're crowded now. They're not impossible, but they're just way more crowded now. So look for what's next for you. And then you ultimately have to combine a compelling topic where you are an expert, where you can create great content, where you can grow an audience, and where you are going to be able to promote, where it's not too crowded now, and where you can grow with the platform perhaps. Or if your content is a fantastic fit for Instagram, then by all means do Instagram. But keep in mind, it's maybe a little competitive. So there's always that balance. And there's no perfect answer because every challenge gets solved with persistence, and everything is a challenge without persistence. So sometimes your own work long term will help you overcome the challenges. But these are just the things to think about what you want to get into. Because if you do weight loss or workout things on Instagram, sure, you can post photos and short videos, but there's like tens of thousands of people who are doing the same thing on Instagram. So how can you stand out? If you can't, maybe that's not the platform. So those are the things to ask yourself. It's not something I can answer for you here. I can only give you a guidance of how to think about it. But when you decide on your niche, this video, the intent of this video is just to make sure that you understand it's not just the topic, it's where, because you've got to get visibility on some platform.